Different sounds of C. Read aloud. C as K. Cap, camel, coat, cake, car, cub, candle, cot, cup. C as S. Cell, circus, dice, scent, cycle, ice, circle, pencil, juice.